My name is Peter Fairweather. I organise events for the Nightingale, not all of them. There's a team at the Nightingale, many of whom are here tonight. We're a cancer support charity based in Enfield. The centre is just down the road at Baker Street, opposite one of our 3 shops. And we raise funds not just through events but through sales at the shops, through donations, through a lot of activities. And the purpose being is that we support those in Enfield who have been impacted by cancer. James and Moira, standing just here, I first met as a customer at the beautiful South restaurant up on Windmill Hill. They've worked incredibly hard over the last few months in picking out wines, with the only provisos I had is that the wine should be first of all affordable, so that we're not sort of going at the top end of everything, and also obtainable. I'm going to hand over to Moira and James. They've got the microphone, so please give them the attention they deserve, and thank you for your attention.
Hello everyone, my name is James, my wife Moira, and I know a lot of people here this evening, and the people I don't know, I want to say hello.
Welcome.
Welcome. Now, is everyone going to